Hi, I'm Larry Sideropoulos, and today we're going to talk about the 5 ways you can maximize your personal injury case or settlement. The first is, and probably the most important, is you have to hire the right attorney. Different attorneys will perform different tasks in preparation of your case. A reputable firm will generally hire the best experts, meaning accident reconstructionists, biomechanical engineers, and medical professionals to assist you in your medical treatment. If you don't hire the best experts and you don't document the evidence properly, it will have an effect on the value of your case, especially as the case proceeds through litigation and at trial. The second most important way to maximize or increase your personal injury settlement is to seek out proper medical care. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people delay medical care or go to the wrong type of provider, and it does have an ultimate effect on their case. Certain physicians are not willing to get involved in litigation, and if you are in front of those doctors, they're not necessarily going to generate the proper reports that you need and provide the proper medical care to maximize your result. One of the key things is if you go to the emergency room, you're not going to be able to select your own doctors, but what you need to do is give them a thorough explanation of each and every body part that was injured. If you leave something out at that time and it comes up later, that's one of the things insurance companies will use against you. Be as thorough as possible, and don't exaggerate, but also don't minimize your complaints. I've had both. I've had clients that walk in the emergency room and they say, I'm totally fine, and they have a broken leg. And I've had other clients that have minor injuries and they act like it's the end of the world. So don't exaggerate, but don't minimize your complaints, and be as thorough as possible. Another piece of advice I would give you in maximizing your settlement or receiving the optimal result on your case is always follow your doctor's advice. If your physicians refer you to another doctor, follow their advice. If your physicians refer you to another doctor and you take 6 months to get to the other doctor, that's going to have an effect on your case. So the other common problem that I've run across is you have an obligation to mitigate your damages. So you can't continue with the same doctor for years on end if your condition is not improving. If you find yourself having hit a plateau in your medical treatment, for example, if you're doing chiropractic or physical therapy or whatever, and it's not working for you, you have a legal obligation to go try something different. And then I would advise you go consult with your primary care physician or your orthopedic specialist and find the proper referral so that you can ultimately maximize your settlement or the outcome of your case. Okay, so those were the 3 recommendations that I had today as to how to increase the value of your personal injury case. Find the right attorney that's going to hire the best and possible experts. Find the right physician, whether it be through a referral from your doctor or from potentially the law firm. And finally, be truthful to your physicians, don't over-exaggerate, and be your own advocate during all your doctor's appointments. If you or a family member or friend have been injured, feel free to contact our office for a one-on-one personal consultation. And please subscribe. We're also going to be coming out with more videos to help you through every aspect of your personal injury case.